Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
25 time idioms and phrases. Part 2. Like, subscribe. Keep time. 2 meanings. Of a watch or clock, to show the correct time. In music, to perform music at the correct speed. Use in a sentence. My watch keeps good perfect time. The conductor helps the orchestra keep time. Make good time. Meaning to travel somewhere quickly or complete a trip faster than expected. Use in a sentence. We're making good time on our road trip. Make up for lost time. Meaning to compensate for time that has been lost or wasted. Use in a sentence. She hurries to make up for lost time after her tardiness at work. Once upon a time. Meaning refers to a time in the past. It is traditionally used to begin fairy tales or stories for young children. Use in a sentence. Once upon a time there was a beautiful princess named Snow White. Time has come. Meaning refers that it is the right moment to do something or for something to happen. It can also refer to the end of a person's life or the end of the usefulness of something. Use in a sentence, don't grieve, son. The time has come to say goodbye. Time bomb. Meaning refers to a situation that threatens to have disastrous consequences at some future time. Use in a sentence. The departmental dispute is a time bomb just waiting to go off. Time to hit the road. Meaning refers that it's time to leave or begin a journey. Use in a sentence. After years of working in the same company, it's time to hit the road and explore some new opportunities. Pass the time of day. Meaning means to have a short informal conversation with someone. Use in a sentence. I was just passing the time of day with her. Mark time. Meaning refers to wait idly for something to occur. Use in a sentence. While waiting for her friend, she marked time by reading a book. In the right place at the right time. Meaning refers to being in the location where something good is to happen exactly when it happens. Use in a sentence, I got a good deal on a car because I was in the right place at the right time. At the appointed time. Meaning at a specific designated time. Use in a sentence. I'll never get to my interview at the appointed time with all this traffic. All the time in the world. Meaning a large amount of time available. It is used to emphasize that there is plenty of time for something. Use in a sentence. What would you like to do this afternoon? We have all the time in the world. A devil of a time. Meaning refers to a very difficult or frustrating time. Use in a sentence. Fixing the car seemed easy, but I had a devil of a time doing it. Before one's time. Meaning refers that something happened or existed before one was born or old enough to remember it. Use in a sentence. I don't know how that project was organized, it was before my time. Big time operator. Meaning a person, company, or organization that is very successful, prominent, and influential in some area of business. Use in a sentence. When we were in school together, that guy was such a slacker. I had no idea he became such a big-time operator in the oil trade. Borrowed time. Meaning living beyond an expected or usual lifespan. It describes someone who is not expected to live much longer due to illness or old age. Use in a sentence. After surviving the accident, they felt like they were on borrowed time. Caught in a time warp. Meaning refers to someone or something haven't changed or evolved, even though everything else around them has. Use in a sentence. The little town seemed caught in a time warp. Cobblestone streets, gas lamps, and all. It was like stepping into a history book. For the time being, meaning now or temporarily. It is used to indicate that an action or state will continue but is not permanent. Use in a sentence. Can you store this for me for the time being? From time to time, meaning every now and then, or at periodic intervals. Use in a sentence. The kids write to me from time to time, letting me know of their latest adventures. Crunch time, meaning refers to a critical period when there's intense pressure to succeed, often occurring toward the end of a project or task. Use in a sentence. Our team has only 2 more days to finish the project. It's crunch time. Do the time, meaning refers to serve all or part of a prison sentence. Use in a sentence. Many of the gang members did time while they were still teenagers. Downtime, meaning rest period time when you relax and do not do very much. Use in a sentence. After a busy day at work, I look forward to some downtime at home. Quite some time, meaning refers to a relatively long amount or period of time. Use in a sentence. I haven't seen her for quite some time. Run that by me one more time, meaning used when you want someone to explain something again or provide additional clarification. It's like saying, could you repeat that, please? Use in a sentence. I didn't quite catch the details of the plan. Could you run that by me one more time? Time works wonders, meaning as time passes, many different issues or problems tend to be resolved or alleviated. Use in a sentence. I know it's hard to think you'll ever stop grieving, but time works wonders.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications,